Hey everyone, welcome to our puzzle challenge. Today is day 1 of 100 puzzle challenge. So basically every day we'll be having one puzzle and this puzzle is asked in Mang and Ola, okay? So what is the problem statement? An employee works for an employer for 7 days. The employer has a goal of 7 units. How does the employer pay to the employee so that the number of employee stored units increases by 1 at end of each day? The employer can make at most 2 cuts in the rod. So basically, the employer has to pay the employee and he has a rod of 7 units. So each day this employee has to get one more rod unit than before day. And the hint is after the end of each day, employees can spend any part of the rod. So basically there is a contract made wherein this employees can spend any part of the rod each day. Okay. Then we will be having this 1, 2 and 4 units. So first day our employer gives 1 unit to employee. So our employee has 1 unit. On the second day, he can take back this 1 unit and give this 2 units. So he earns 2 units per 2 days. Okay. And next day, he can just give 1 unit. So our employee has 3 units. So on the fourth day, he can take this 2 and give the 4 unit rod. Okay. Now our employee earned 4 units per 4 days. On the fifth day, he can just give this 1 unit rod. So our employee has earned 5 units for 5 days. So guess what? For 6th day, he can take this 1 unit and give the 2 unit rod. So for 6 days, our employee has earned 6 units. Okay, on the 7th day, he can just give this 1 unit. So totally, our employee has earned now 7 units. So basically, with the help of 2 cuts only, we're able to make it happen, right? So that's the idea, guys. If you enjoyed this puzzle, smash that like button and subscribe for more. And remember, there's a new puzzle every day. Let's hit all 100 together. Drop your thoughts in the comments, share your solutions, and challenge your friends to see who can solve it faster. See you in the next one.